The activities in the solar system attract many. They might seem intriguing to many, while to others the process taking place up in the sky are pretty scary. The month of June has witnessed a number of events including a solar storm. A few days back, a massive solar flare took place from Earth's day. It was reported that as many as 8 sunspots emerged on the Earth facing solar disk. And today, NASA has reported that one of the sunspots, AR3038, has doubled in size in the last 24 hours, creating a situation of concern for us. Due to the same, a massive flare hurtled towards the Earth and ionized the top of the atmosphere with its extreme UV radiation. At its current size, if it were to unleash a solar flare on the surface of the Sun, the powerful radiation can cause an instant radio blackout on Earth, disrupting various services. A similar incident was recorded a couple of weeks ago when an X-class solar flare disrupted the radio communications in parts of Russia and Japan. The Solar Dynamics Observatory of NASA observed this sudden change in the sunspot. Later, spaceweather.com also reported on the incident on its website. It stated, "Yesterday, sunspot AR3038 was big. Today, it is enormous. The fast-growing sunspot has doubled in size in only 24 hours." NASA defines sunspots as temporary darkened area on the surface of the Sun that have reduced surface temperature caused by concentrations of magnetic flux. These are highly unstable regions prone for continuous combustions. This particular sunspot AR3038 was part of 8 other sunspots which appeared on the solar disk on June 18th. According to NASA, an X-class solar flare can not only release enough radiation to disrupt shortwave radio frequencies and ham radio used by various navigation systems. It can also cause problems for GPS systems which are specifically used for planes and ships. While, at the moment, it is not clear if solar flare will surely erupt. With the instability of the sunspot, there are chances of that happening.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.